kindness, goodness, compassion, joy, wisdom, patience, jealous-free, slow to anger. These are all things I desire to carry in life, actions I hope to extend towards friends and family and coworkers. I want to be known for these actions, but I need to ask myself a question. Can any of these actions take place in my heart if I don't learn that they are from love, true and pure love? If love is the gold standard behind what we want to be known for, and God is love, are we giving God the credit when we love from these actions, or are we wanting the credit to make ourselves look better? I'll ask another hard question. Is that love then? If we do that, might we have failed at loving well if we have tried to love those around us so we may look better? In 1 Corinthians 13:8, it says, "Love never fails, but where there are prophecies, they will cease. Where there are tongues, they will be stilled. Where there is knowledge, it will pass away." Whether we're on this earth or in heaven, God's love never fails, even when we do. And it never changes, even in our inconsistencies. God's grace and mercy is there to teach us once more how to love, learning to give Him credit to being the only one in our life that can love from a pure and never failing place.